Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Loki season 2 theme on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to update Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on this messenger icon on the top right, and then you simply need to select any conversation. Okay, and then you simply need to click on the person name and click on theme, and here you can see Loki season 2. Click on that. So wait for a few seconds, and now you can see that Loki season 2 theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.